watching this, I would make a huge bet that probably 90% of you are watching me right now on some sort of social media channel. Facebook, maybe Instagram, maybe LinkedIn. Are you? I hope so. And I hope that you know how to do what I'm doing right now and turn this into lead generation, income, and brand presence for your company to a whole nother level. It's 2019, and this is the age where everything for your business can be launched and monetized online through social media. So would you say you have the best presence possible? My name is Amy Ransdell, and I, on occasion, host a workshop to help those of you like yourselves take your social media presence that you have now and launch it through the roof so that you're actually generating leads and business with your social media presence. If you would like to learn how to do that with me, we have a workshop coming up this Saturday. It's actually hosted through Atlanta REIA. It's going to be in their main meeting location, and it's going to be the entire day. You want to get there 8:30 in the morning. We're going to be there till 6 o'clock at night. There's a homework assignment that you're going to receive a couple days before, so you want to go ahead and register today. And the easiest way to register to join me on Saturday is to go to socialmediasuccessaccademyaccess.com. There's a link below me somewhere. It's socialmediasuccessaccademyaccess.com, and you can join us for an entire day. It is well worth the investment of your day, because I tell you what, you're going to leave there with all the tools that you need to start immediately raising brand awareness and generating leads within the day. Not kidding. Easy to do. The results from previous workshops are amazing. We have clients of ours that are more business than they can handle simply by learning how to make social media work for them, not against them. And I teach you how to make it something you can do that's sustainable for your business and for your team. So join me on Saturday for a full workshop. Thank you, Atlanta REIA, for letting me come and do this. It'll be the whole day. Get there early, 8:30 in the morning. We're going to stay till 6 o'clock at night. We're going to hang out together the whole day, and I'm going to completely transform your business, which you couldn't have a better way to start the year, right? Okay, so I'll see you then. That's socialmediasuccessaccademyaccess.com. See you then.